Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. So, here's a question for you. What if managing your finances could actually feel, well, enjoyable? That's the goal behind two popular financial tools I'm excited to compare today, Tiller versus Monarch Money. Both platforms have their own unique style for tackling budgeting and financial planning, and they're designed for people who are serious about taking control of their money. I've spent time exploring each, and I'm ready to break down what makes Tiller and Monarch shine, where they might fall short, and which one might be the better fit for you. If you've been wondering which one might suit your budgeting style better, you're in the right place. Whether you love the idea of customizable spreadsheets or prefer an all-in-one financial dashboard, this comparison will help you figure out which platform deserves a spot in your life. Stick around. This isn't just about numbers. It's about finding the tool that makes managing your money easier, smarter, and maybe even a little fun. Now, let's jump into some background on both platforms and what makes them unique. They're two different approaches to the same goal, giving you more control over your finances, but they go about it in very different ways. Tiller is all about flexibility through spreadsheets, while Monarch Money offers a broader, more guided experience with everything under one roof. Depending on how hands-on you like to be with your budgeting, one of these might feel just right for you. Let's start with Tiller. This platform is a dream come true for anyone who loves working with spreadsheets but doesn't want the hassle of manual entry. Founded by Peter Polson in 2014, Tiller takes the old-school charm of Excel and Google Sheets and upgrades it with automation. It pulls all your financial data into your spreadsheet in real time. No more copying and pasting transactions from your bank account. Honestly, if you're someone who likes to fine-tune your budget or build out personalized templates, Tiller gives you the tools to make that happen. Plus, you can design spreadsheets exactly the way you want, which is perfect for people who need full customization. That said, Tiller isn't trying to do everything. It's not packed with fancy investment tracking features, and there's no dedicated mobile app. Instead, it leans into what it does best, offering a powerful hands-on budgeting system that works best for people who prefer working with spreadsheets. If that sounds like your vibe, Tiller might be the right pick. But if you're not into spreadsheets or want a more all-encompassing view of your finances, it probably isn't the best fit for you. Monarch Money takes a different approach, focusing on simplicity and integration. This platform was built to connect all your financial accounts in one place, from your checking and savings to credit cards, investments, and loans. It's especially great for couples or families thanks to its joint account management feature, which lets you track shared finances without the awkwardness of sharing passwords. And while Tiller is limited to spreadsheets, Monarch Money offers a sleek dashboard that's easy to navigate. So, even if you're new to personal finance apps, Monarch makes it simple to get up and running. The popularity of Monarch Money is evident in their reviews. They have an impressive 4.9 out of 5 stars in the Apple App Store from almost 30,000 reviews. I dug through a lot of them. Of course, not all 30,000, but enough to notice some trends. I've noticed a lot of people, especially those transitioning from older tools like Mint, love Monarch for its intuitive design. And since it syncs with over 11,000 banks and financial institutions, you don't have to jump between apps to see where you stand. Everything from your spending to your investment performance is right there, giving you a full picture of your financial health. So, if you're the kind of person who wants a guided experience and comprehensive financial tracking, Monarch might be the better fit. But if you prefer rolling up your sleeves and getting deep into spreadsheets, Tiller's flexibility can't be beaten. All right, let's get into the features, pricing, and wrap this up. When it comes to features, both Tiller and Monarch bring something valuable to the table. But as I alluded to earlier, they cater to different types of financial needs. Let's start with Tiller. One of its standout features is the way all your transactions automatically feed into the spreadsheet, making manual data entry a thing of the past. You can use the built-in templates, like the Tiller Foundation template, or create your own custom layouts if you prefer something more tailored to your needs. And trust me, if you love tweaking spreadsheets or following specific budgeting frameworks, Tiller's flexibility feels great. Another awesome feature Tiller offers is the AutoCat tool. It allows you to set custom rules to automatically categorize your expenses. You won't have to label every Starbucks run manually. Just set it once, and Tiller handles the rest. They also send out daily email summaries, which is a great way to stay on top of your spending without opening your spreadsheet every day. The main downside I find with Tiller, there's no native investment tracking. If you're looking to keep a close eye on your portfolio, you'll have to either input your investment data manually or use a separate tool. If you aren't an active investor or don't need to see your up-to-the-minute net worth, the lack of portfolio tracking might not be very important to you. Now, Monarch Money takes a different approach by giving you an all-in-one financial dashboard. It connects seamlessly with your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and even brokerage accounts, pulling everything into one place for easy tracking. You'll get real-time insights into your spending, savings, and investments, all from one app. Monarch's goal-setting feature also stands out to me. You can set savings goals, like building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation, and track your progress in real time. It even lets you create what-if scenarios to see how changing your spending habits might affect your goals. I think this is a great tool if you're a visual learner or want to stay motivated with progress updates. Another thing Monarch Money does really well is joint financial management. If you and your partner are managing finances together, Monarch makes it simple by allowing each person to log in separately and view the same financial picture. That means no more awkward text messages asking for account passwords. Gotta love that. Monarch Money also has a dedicated mobile app, which makes it easier to manage your finances on the go. This is a bit of a gap for Tiller, which relies entirely on Google Sheets or Excel for tracking and doesn't offer a standalone mobile experience. If you prefer accessing your information on mobile, it is clear that Monarch Money is the preferred choice to Tiller. Now let's talk about customer support. Tiller provides email support and access to a community forum, which can be helpful if you're troubleshooting or looking for tips from other users. Monarch Money offers about the same level of support. They have helpful articles, FAQs, and email support. Neither platform has live chat support, so if you have a nuanced question or problem, you might have to wait for your email to be answered, which isn't the end of the world, and, unfortunately, is pretty commonplace with companies these days. All right, let's look at the cost, because no matter how great a tool is, pricing always matters. Tiller offers a flat rate of $79 per year. While it doesn't have a monthly plan, the annual pricing is straightforward with no hidden fees, and they also give you a 30-day free trial. For what it offers, especially the customization, I think it's a solid value if you're someone who likes working with spreadsheets and wants to build a personalized budgeting system. Monarch Money's pricing is a little more flexible, but also a bit steeper. It costs $14.99 per month, or you can save some cash by opting for the $69.99 annual plan. If you're switching over from a free tool like Mint, that price might seem a little high. But I have good news. If you use the link in the description, you can get 30% off your first year if you use the code WELCOME, which can make the transition easier on your wallet. You also get a 14-day free trial to test it out before committing. So, which platform should you choose? Honestly, it all comes down to how you like to manage your finances. If you enjoy rolling up your sleeves, building custom spreadsheets, and taking a hands-on approach to budgeting, Tiller is going to feel like a perfect fit. Its spreadsheet-based system offers unmatched flexibility, which makes it great for people who love to experiment and personalize every aspect of their financial plan. But I must remind you, Tiller doesn't offer built-in investment tracking, and its lack of a mobile app might be a deal breaker if you prefer managing your finances on the go. On the other hand, Monarch Money shines if you want everything bundled into one place with minimal setup. It offers a comprehensive view of your finances, including joint account management and automatic investment tracking, which Tiller lacks. Plus, the dedicated mobile app makes it easy to stay on top of things no matter where you are. Okay, that wraps this video up. Thanks for sticking with me through this breakdown of Tiller versus Monarch. If you're ready to try one of these tools, you'll find links in the description to both platforms, including any available free trials or promo codes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another review. And if you've used Tiller or Monarch Money before, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on which one worked best for you. As always, happy budgeting.